Hey crafty queens, welcome back to my corner. Happy Monday. I have a video for you today that I am going to give you a review on. The name of the company that reached out to me is called Craft New Day, and they gave me a discount code to share with you guys, and it's Crafty10, so Krafti 10. And I will leave all of this information for you in the description box below, as well as a link to this product. So let's get started. So I got some super cute little keychain, ornament, whatever you really want to use them for, but they are diamond painting. So you get this is the kit that I ordered. There's a whole bunch that that they have on their website, but the one that I chose is this one with the cute little Christmas. Let me redo that. There we go. Get the glare off. And they are double-sided, and they come with 5 in this kit. Aren't these just so stinking adorable, you guys? Look how cute. So it comes with these 5. I'm gonna personally use them as tags for Christmas presents. I'm gonna wrap the person's present and then put these on there as like a Christmas tag. Now it does come with these little silver ball chains, and it comes with a little clip, and there are enough for all 5 of these. It comes with your little tray and your sticky tack. Of course, it comes with your little pen that you're going to use to pick up the sticky stuff, and then you use your sticky pen to pick up your little dots, your little sequins. So it does come with all of the sequins that you need. So this one is 1 through 5 right here, and then this one is super duper long. It's 6 through 15. You guys see that? And I have actually already gone ahead and done a couple of them because I did order 2 kits. So let me show you the completed ones that I did. Let me show you how pretty they are. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? And again, they are double-sided, and you do have enough gems to do both sides. And then here's the other one I did. Isn't that so stinking cute? And then I did put one of these on there just to show you guys how it looks. Yeah, so this is a newer company, and they reached out to me and asked if I would review this product for them on my channel, and I said of course. So they have scrapbooking, embroidery, diamond painting. They just have all kinds of different selections. Lots of different things to choose from on their website. And like I said, I will be putting their link to their website and a link to this specific product in the description box below. And I will also leave my discount code, which I have shown you guys already. But yeah, go check them out and see what you can find. Like I said, they've got tons of stuff. This is just what I picked out. I love Christmas, and I love enhancing Christmas presents, so I just really thought this would be super cute to get and use for Christmas presents. So go check them out and use that discount code so that you can get 10% off. And I hope that you guys will find something on there that you like. I'm sure you will. There's lots of different stuff on there. So Craft New Day. And I am gonna have fun finishing doing these. But that is gonna be it for today. If you guys have any questions, of course, leave them down in the comments. I will be very glad to help you if I can with any answers. So have a good day, guys, and I'll see you either tomorrow or the next day. All right, bye-bye.